Hello, now this question requires us to solve for r. Now you are given r raised to the power of 5 equals to 100. So how do you go about this? Now let's make an assumption. Let's say x equals to r raised to the power of 5. So we have that. This equation turns to r raised to the power of x equals to 100. Alright, so what's the next thing? So we multiply each of these power by 5. Alright, so we have r raised to the power of x raised to the power of 5 equals to 100 raised to the power of 5. Can you see that? Good. So now I can switch this because if I say x times 5 is the same thing as 5 times x. Alright, so now this is r raised to the power of 5 raised to the power of x equals to 100 raised to the power of 5. Now don't forget, r raised to the power of 5 is x. So that means we can replace this with x. So we have x raised to the power of x equals to. Now I want to find a way of expressing this 100 raised to the power of 5 such that it's going to look like this. So what are we going to do? So see, we have 10 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of 5. Okay, so we have x raised to the power of x equals to 10 raised to the power of 10. Alright, so they now look similar. So that means x equals to 10. But then the question wants us to get r. So we have x equals to r raised to the power of 5. So we have r raised to the power of 5 equals to 10. So here you can take fifth root of both sides. You have r equals to fifth root of 10. And this is the answer to the problem. Thanks.